They pull the ripcord, they're skydiving cats.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
A Swedish insurance company
Vad klappar ditt hjärta för?
asked its customers to suggest web ads.
Think about it every night and day.
Ava, who insures her cat with a company called Folksam, suggested skydiving cats, spelling out her name. Putting it to R. Kelly's song was the cat's pajamas.
I believe I can soar.
The high five midair should have been the tip-off, but some pet lovers were upset. This is not funny or cute, it is cruel. That's disturbing. Wrong on so many levels. But they're wrong, says the company's marketing director.
I can reassure all cat lovers that the cats have not been skydiving for real.
A total of 5 cats starred in the commercial. They never left the studio. People were shot skydiving, then replaced with cats through the magic of green screen. Need a little windblown fur on 4-year-old Sarah?
They used a fan, yes.
One person reacted online by posting an aerodynamic cat with the message, "This kitty don't need no parachute." Actually, skydiving dogs are a lot more common, like Bugsy the Pug featured on Animal Planet. He even got stroked during free fall. After the chute opened, he licked his chops.